Hey, good morning. Welcome to
KidMath number 33.
KidMath number 33. This is from section 11.5 of Art Problem Solving's Algebra book, and I'm going to do most of the writing here just because this is hard to fit in 5 minutes. This was a really cool thing. This is why I love Art of Problem Solving's books. They have really neat stuff, and I had never seen this before. So I think this is awesome. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
So we learned about how to solve special kinds of equations, and this is like an example in the book. 5 over m plus 3 over n equals 1, and we want to find the positive integer solutions to this. Okay?
Yes.
So what's the first thing we need to do? What's difficult about this?
Well, we have the things we're trying to find out on the bottom.
Right, so we have things in the denominator, so we want to clear out the denominator. So what do we do?
Multiply the whole thing by mn.
We multiply the whole thing by mn. Okay, and what do we get now when we multiply everything by n?
We'll get 5n.
5n.
Plus 3m.
3m.
Equals mn.
Equals mn. Okay, and that's great because we're looking for positive integer solutions, so I can always multiply anything by positive integers, right?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. And we're going to rearrange this equation to say mn minus, I'm going to move everything over to that side of the equation and then flip it around, minus 3m minus 5n equals 0. And this is what they call Simon's favorite factoring trick now. We have an expression like this, and we can actually factor it. And this is a really neat idea. We're going to factor this into m plus x, where x is an integer, times n plus x, or I shouldn't say an integer, a constant, might not necessarily be an integer, times n plus y. Okay? So when I multiply this out, I get mn, which I have.
Yeah.
Plus m times y, remember y is a constant, plus x times n, or I'll do n times x, plus xy. Okay. Now, do I have a constant times m up here?
Yes.
So what does that mean y equals?
Y equals minus 3.
Minus 3. And do I have a constant times n?
Yes. Minus 5.
So x is minus 5, and minus 3 times minus 5 is 15.
And what 15 in.
What that means is mn minus 3m minus 5n plus 15 factors into m minus 5 times n minus 3. Now I don't quite have that over here because I don't have the 15, but I can just add 15 to both sides of the equation. Plus 15 plus 15, and my equation turns into m minus 5 times n minus 3 equals 15. That's really cool, because 15 factors. So I can have, I'm going to make a little table, m minus 5, n minus 3.
Let's hope that's on camera.
Yeah, I hope so. Well, it could be 15 times 1. It could be 5 times 3. It could be 3 times 5, or it could be 1 times 15, right?
Yes.
Which means m and n, then, what do I have to do to this column if this is m minus 5? What's n?
Then
M, I mean.
m, you have to add 5 to each of them.
Right, so I get 20, 10, 8, and 6. And the n I just have to add 3 to. So I get 4, 6, 8, and 18.
Yes.
Okay, so I get these 4 solutions. Now you should check all of them, but let's just check one for our original equation. Which one do you want to check?
Let's check 20 and 4.
Okay, great. 5 over 20 plus 3 over 4. Does this equal 1?
Well, 5 over 20, it's 1/4 plus 3/4, so it does equal 1.
Hey. And we can check the other ones, but we don't need to do that on camera. This is really neat. I mean, this is cool. I've never seen this before. I like this. I like this a lot. This is why I love art of problem solving. Good job. Good job, huh? Was that fun?
Yes.
Great.